Ladies and gentlemen, Chris Ogene reporting from Fitzgerald Toyota with a brand new 2025 Toyota Sienna XLE all-wheel drive. This is the minivan that everybody wants. It's sold out all over the country, and I have it in XLE all-wheel drive in silver right now. This one has your blind spot monitor. It does have your lane departure alert. This one comes in the classic silver metallic with the bright alloy wheels that are covered. You have your LED fog lights, LED projector beam headlights. There's a radar right behind this logo that co-witnesses with a tiny camera at the top of the windscreen to form your lane tracing assist function. You can see the front parking sensors on the vehicle for your pre-collision system. You have the moonroof right there. You have the blind spot monitor in the heated mirrors. This one also has the body side moldings right there to keep the dings and the chips off the sides of the car. You have your remote access function, your keyless remote entry right there. Power chair with the lumbar support. Beautiful heated Softex gray leather. It has a moonroof again there. All weather mats throughout the vehicle. You have the 12.3 inch touchscreen right there. Heated seats on the vehicle. All right. You have your backup camera, your all-wheel drive, and then you have your Apple CarPlay, your Android Auto. It goes into EV mode. It has your normal, sport, and eco mode as well. This is truly a wonderful vehicle. Extra visibility panel right there. I'm gonna come to the back. One touch opening there. It also has the kick sensor. And then you have the captain's chairs there. Third row in the back there. The third row is already down. One touch right there. I'm gonna come to the back. You see hybrid electric vehicle, all-wheel drive. This one is the XLE. You can see the parking sensors on the back there. This one touch opening in the back. And then you can see the third row right here. All right. Once I throw that, and then you have your trunk space right there. And then you just pull this back and your third row is ready. All right. If you'd like this in your driveway, you want to call Chris Ogene as soon as possible at 202-607-9517. This is the actual vehicle in stock right now that I communicated to you. You want to call Chris Ogene at 202-607-9517. This is a brand new from the factory 2025 Toyota Sienna XLE all-wheel drive in classic silver metallic. Please call Chris Ogene 202-607-9517. Thank you and have a fantastic day.